Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Casey.
What do you have in your hand?
A train.
Can I see it? Turn it around so I can see. Whoa. Do you like trains? What's your favorite toy?
Trains.
How come?
But I like boats and trains.
You like boats too?
Mhm.
How old are you?
3.
Are you 3?
Mhm.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Do you have any sisters?
I have one Sam and one dad and one Austin.
One dad and one Austin.
Mhm.
And what about Cody and Aaron?
Mhm.
Are they your brother and sister? Yes? What are you doing? Are you sniffing? Are you being shy? Did you snort? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Just
Just kidding. What's your favorite color?
blue and little red and after green.
And green? And what's your favorite toy? Okie dokie.
Trains.
What kind of trains?
Blue.
Blue trains? Okay. Casey, can you spell your name?
Kascee.
Are you supposed to jump on the bed? You are? No, you're not. No, you're not. That's much better. Say bye.